B's rectangle? What do you notice about it?
It's half of this one.
So it's half of this half?
Yes.
So this half is 8/16. How many 16ths would be in here?
4.
Antonio thinks 4. Ethan, what do you think? Can I borrow this?
I think 4.
I see you doing this.
Yeah. I think
For B. Antonio thinks that the area of B is 4/16. What do you think?
I think 4. I think 4.
You're in agreement?
Because this is 1/16 and this is 1/16.
Because this is half.
This would make 2. I don't know.
Oh, so then you think this one's 2/16? Paisley just like made a connection right away, right?
And will that be 1/16? Yeah.
Will it? Yeah. Label them what you think. All right, Anna, you ready?
The first one that we did was 8/16, and so the next one was like B, and I saw half in that.
So what did you label B as?
I got 4/16.
Ooh, I see some Me Too's right away. Anna, how did you said you see half. What do you mean by that?
So like right here is like 2, and then in half it's like separating it in both, and it's basically like the same thing as in B.
So Anna, I think what you're saying is you saw this shape, this rectangle, you saw 2 of these in the half that we'd already worked with. Yeah. Oh, I see some Me Too's already. So you agree with her thinking? Yes. Paisley, I know that I didn't ask you this, but when we were talking at your team, what did you say then about C?
2/16.
You said C was 2/16?
Yes.
How did you guys, we were talking about B, and all of a sudden she goes, wait, I know C, it's 2/16. And I said, Paisley, how did you know that so quickly? And Paisley, what did you say to me?
Because it is half of B.
Because you see C is half of B. Maya?
When our team, how we figured that out was we know that A was 8/16 and B is half of A. So you had to cut whatever you got for A in half. And C is half of B, so you cut that in half. And it kept on going because D is half of C and E is half of D.
So what did you label the shape D?
We labeled it 1/16 because 1 is half of 2, and then denominators always stay the same. Well, usually.
So that leads me then to this wonky E. Matthew, what do you think?
I got 1/32.
Ooh, 1/32. Can you talk about that, Matthew?
I know that it was a 32nd because D is 1/16 and E is just half of that, so I had to multiply the denominator by 2 and leave the numerator the same.
But wait, you just told me that your number got bigger, right? But your space is smaller.
Yeah.
Is that right? Oh, why is that right? I know, Matthew's like, you did not pre-ask me this question, but I'm wondering. Because you said to me 1/16 is here, but this says 1/32. And 32 surely is bigger than 16. Can you turn and talk in your teams for just a minute so that Matthew can talk with his team and then he's gonna share out for us? Why is this number bigger, but the space is smaller?
16 to 16 is 32. So like,
Like this. Because up there it's 1/16.
we agree with you.
Matthew, are you ready? What are you thinking?
I'm thinking because since E is half of D, you need to cut it in half, and to cut it in half, you leave the numerator the same, and the denominator you have to multiply by 2 to divide it in half.
So you multiplied it to make a smaller space. Katie, what do you think?
Before Matthew shared his answer, I got 1/8 because I thought it was like just half of 16, which is 8. Mm-hmm. So I was thinking of 1/8, but now I get that it's 1/32 because if you like multiply it in half, you like have to like double it, because there's, I don't really know how to explain
Yeah, Ty, you want to add on to Katie? She's got us going in a direction. Like, she's following Matthew's thinking. Ty, what do you think?
That little triangle is half of one of the squares. So for each square, it's 2/32. So then if you multiply that for every single square, then that would just get you up to 32 30 seconds.